Hello and greetings once again from Japan. It's very windy today, but it's a fairly nice temperature for November. Anyway, it's rather windy, so that might be affect the sound on this video. Anyway, today we have a 2006 March Toyota Alphard. It's the MNH15, so it's the 3-litre four-wheel drive. It has 53,000 miles on the clock, the equivalent of 86,000 kilometers. Anyway, so it's a grade 4 car, so let's take a look at it. It's it's a genuine grade 4, just clean, nice clean car, HID, the AFS headlights. It's got the factory standard 17-inch alloys with good winter tires. So in Japan, what we do is we use winter tires half the year and radials the other half. Even in Tokyo, where we don't get much snow, because if you do get caught in the snow without snow tires, even in a four-wheel drive, if it's heavy, it's going to be difficult. But with these tires and four-wheel drive, you can pretty much go anywhere. Okay, so good straight body, none of the usual scratches which are very common on the bottom of the plastic door moldings. This one's nice and clean. Okay, same with the rear, tiny little thing there. This one also has factory fitted rear fog lights, which is not common. It's not common in Japan at this age. And this one has it already, so it won't be needed to be fitted. So we put an illuminated rear fog switch in, because that's one thing that is different in this country. It doesn't need to be illuminated. In the UK it does. So, okay, nice and straight on the back. Take a look on the inside. See, it's keyless entry on the rear door and the driver door. So it has a black cloth interior. It's a 7-seater. The headlining is nice and clean. Positively a non-smoker car. It has rear camera. Okay. As usual, you please refer to the Dropbox link with the numerous photographs of the vehicle and comprehensive photographs of the underneath of the car. This one is very clean underneath as well. Okay. Nice clean corner. Fog lights. Two-tone grille. Alright. And take a look on the inside. Oh, okay. We can demonstrate the power doors. It comes with a full set of keys, 2 remote keys, and 2 fobs, and one other key. I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, it's for something. Okay. It's Emma in the background saying hi. Nice clean carpets. Rear cup holder, all in one piece. Isofix, those with small children. The interior on this car is just really nice. And as you can see, the headlining in the front is perfect. Okay, let's close the doors. Take a look in the front. No damage on the driver's seat. The quality of the seats in the Toyotas is different to the other manufacturers. Nice steering wheel. Clean door card. Okay. So as mentioned, it's got the fog switch. As you can see, it's illuminated, and the sliding door controls and the AFS on-off switch. Okay, let's start her up. You can see the mileage there, 86,000 kilometers. The V6 VVTi 3-litre engine, so plenty of smooth power. Very nice drive. And it's got some audio controls on the steering wheel. As I say, positively a non-smoker. Good door on the glove box. These, as I mentioned before, tend to get broken. They get lent on and the hinge gets broken, so I'd say we probably change at least 50% of those. Okay, there's some manuals in here, and should be a front cup holder there, little glove box here, another glove box there with a remote. Okay, and as mentioned, the headlining is perfect. It is a weak point on this 10 series. They can droop. Anyway, this one is perfect. The dash is clean. Yeah, I think that's about it. I think it has a reverse camera, right? There we go. Nice, clear reverse camera with guidance. Okay. I think that is everything for here. The folding mirrors work properly. Yeah, okay, I think that's it. Let's take a look at the engine. nice and clean. I would assume the car was garage because of the general cleanliness of all the nooks and crannies. The auction sheet. This car came from Mirai. It's auction in Saitama. It's Heisei 18.3, so that's 2006 March. 86,000 kilometers. Translates to 53,000 miles. I believe. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. And grade 4 with a B interior, and that's as good as you're going to get for this age. Just mentions the rear spoiler is a bit faded on top, and again it tends to be just the par for the course on a car like this. Okay, and generally the car is just A1s, little A1s, so which are literally nothing. So it is a proper grade 4B. It's a very nice example actually. Definitely well above average. Okay. So there again, a 2006 March, 53,000 miles, 4-wheel drive, 3-litre Alphard. And it doesn't have the sunroofs, and it's 4-wheel drive, so it's a good candidate for a camper conversion, if that's what you're looking for. And it's not white. most of these cars are white, predominantly white. So if you're looking for a different color, here you are. Anyway, if this car interests you, please do speak to Paul at Japan Auto Agents, and he can fill you in on how to go about purchasing this car and arranging the shipping. Thanks again for watching, and we hope this nice example finds a happy home. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.